So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 trending easy video content ideas for fashion bloggers and fashion entrepreneurs. I mean, they are really easy to create. I'm going to show you how to create them. So the first on my list is stop motion videos. I mean, this is very easy. This is a sample of it. And the next on my list is what I call style this piece. I have a sample video too where I styled a top in different ways. And then the third on my list is what I call fashion ideas for a particular event. It could be Valentine date ideas, it could be office wears or stuff like that. Just let it match with whatever you are doing as a fashion vlogger or a fashion entrepreneur.
You can actually achieve this with the same method I used to achieve the previous video about styling a pant, and then all this has to do is you change into different dresses entirely. That's all, and your creativity.
That being said, let's dive straight into how they were created. I mean, from the making to the editing, everything. So I would love to see your video. I would love to see your creativity after you're done with the tutorial. Let's go. So I'm shooting right in the night and I have my ring light on to help me with lighting. But remember, you can actually throw open your windows and have the normal regular sunlight, which is even more amazing than artificial lighting. So right here with me is my shoot body. So I have this phone stand with a Bluetooth remote, of which you don't need when you're shooting the shoe videos. It's actually long enough. You see, I had to squat standing beside it. This is how I look, and I'm 5'10". So I'm going to be using it to make my video. So I need this remote so I can click to take my photos. I don't need to come close to it, because shooting a stop motion video, you have to stay at a spot so you don't spoil your video. So I'll be snapping with this device while my phone is attached to the phone stand at a distance. So here you go, let's go. How I shoot.
Another important thing to note is that while shooting the video for the shoe, I had to turn my phone upside down, as you can see here, so that I can capture the legs well. So I'm going to try to be pretty fast with the video. So I'm going to be using just about 4 or 5 pictures for this particular stop motion with fashion items. I would have used the stop motion app, but for your photos where you're going to snap yourself and snap your clothes, they have to look really nice. So the first thing you will want to do is have a take all the pictures you need, and make sure you are taking it with take all the pictures you need, because it's important that you edit your pictures. Another thing I want you to note is that while taking your pictures, make sure that the phone is stable at a place. You don't move it at all. The only things you're moving are the objects, of which you're going to be watching in this particular video in my description, which says stop motion video. So it's one video you will need to see so that you can understand what I mean by keep everything stable. So here it goes. I've taken all my pictures and I have edited them. I'll come to the InShot app. I'll go to video. I'll click on plus, new. I'll go to photos. From photos, I will look for the photos I've already taken. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Those are what I need for this job. So now that I'm done doing that, all I have to do is click on the first video, tap on duration, change the duration to 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. Then you click on this icon, it brings out the duration, apply for all. You apply it to all. Now look at it. So if you notice, I have a slight mistake of which I warned about initially. I wasn't standing at a particular position, so it can affect your stop motion video if you're not standing at the particular position. So while you're doing your own, this is just a guide. While you're doing your own, take as much pictures in a static position. You know, probably you're moving to, like, just make sure that it's ordered. That's all. I just use those few. This is a guide. This video is just a guide, so I just use only this few so that I don't waste your time while you're trying to watch this whole video, because it's gonna be long. One more thing, remember you can add your music from here too. You add any music of your choice from here, add any music of your choice, and then any text you want to add from here too. You watch the in-short tutorial, so you will know how to do that. Any text, any music can be added from here. So probably you want to describe what's happening here, you use any text. So that's that. So after I must have created all my very creative video with what I have in mind, because first of all you have to know what you want to have in mind. Now this particular video is going to help you also create the shoe video I created. So you come here to videos, click on plus and the next thing you want to do is go bring in those videos you created step by step, 1 2 3 4, and I'll go into the app. These are all the videos I created for this particular gig. So I want you to notice how I created these videos. After thinking of what I needed, then look at this was what I created. So I just played around. This is the beginning of the video, so I just played around. So it will actually start from here, so I will definitely trim out the front. So I just played around. Okay, then this was my first video. I jumped, then I stopped and went to it. Can you see that? Notice that the next video I jumped again. So you will see how people do it. Even for the shoe video, this is the same way it's done. So now this is the method I want to use to come in here. Can you see what I did? So I came back, I off it, and I came back again. Can you see the next video? I'm now going to fall in like I pulled myself. So you are going to see how I'm going to do this. Is going to involve cuts, and we're not going to put in any transition. We're not going to put in any transition. This is more of going to be a video kind of carousel. It's going to be a video carousel. I don't know if you've seen my post on Instagram carousels. This is going to be a video kind of carousel instead of an image. So basically this is how it ended. So now let's go about the editing part of the video. Let's go at the editing part. First thing I'll do is click on it, the first video, go to volume, remove all the volume, take it to 0. Now click on this icon right here to apply all. So I've removed video from all volume from all the videos. The next thing I'll do is come right here. So I'll come right here, I'll move this side. I was cleaning and arranging myself, so I want my video to start from here. So I'll touch the video, I will split, and then I'll click on this side I want to delete and click on delete. As easy as that. Then let's go. So just in case it's too slow, I can decide that okay, I want it to be faster and everything. So all I'll do is click on speed and increase the speed. Now let's go and see what I was doing. It's more we can actually easily relate with it. So we'll come down here. Now the moment I jumped, can you see we're going to do another split? Let's move. I jumped. No, once I jump, I'll hang there. I stop there, click on split and delete that side. As easy as that. So can you see? Let's go. Then I jumped in. Okay, there's a part to be deleted here. I don't need to see here. I don't need it in the video. All I need is when I jumped down. So I'll touch the video, I'll click on split that small part, I'll delete it. There's no transition here. There's no transition. We're not doing any form of transition. So let's go. Okay, did you see what happened now? So I'm cool with this. What I'll do is click on this particular video, and I'm like, okay, I want it to, okay, let's trim out this part we don't need by just moving. Touch this place and move. Okay, I pulled myself out. Beautiful. Now let's increase the speed. 1.5. Let's see, is it the same speed with this? The speed of this is 2.70. So go back here. Speed 2.70. 2.70. Good. Now let's start the video all over again. Now let's jump. Oh, did you see that? Now let's pull. So this is the next video. So let's go. You just tap on it, and then remember here, use it to trim. So this is where I'm falling in. Beautiful. Now let's see what we'll have. Go. Nope, it's not enough. So we're gonna have to trim more. Trim here in. Go back here, trim this one too. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm not cool with it still. I'll go trim more, and I'll come here, trim more. We must have it perfect. So let's go. Now this feels better. Now all of this, come here, speed 2.70. Good. Now from the end, let's go. Let's see what it looks like. Did you see what happened? So we've gotten it right. So let's go. We got it right. I like how it looks and everything. So I like how it looks. Now for the last stage, did you see that? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so now for the last stage, this is where will come the blocking of the hand. I'm going to have to remove the part that showed my face or my body a bit. Let's click on touch it and split. So it's you being creative. It's so easy. Now it gets into the next stage, of which, don't mind me, I'm not meant to wear this trouser, but I just was tired to start changing a lot. So go to speed again, do 2.50 or thereabout. So we go. Did you see that? So we go. That is exactly it. So I can decide to slow any parts that I want to slow. Remember what I taught in the in-short tutorial. I showed you how to slow any part, like through the speed. You can simply split and make it slow. So let's go start. I really don't want to slow any part, so I'm enjoying everything I'm doing here, so no need to slow down any part. Now this particular video can also help you create a video where you're trying to do Valentine look. You just dress on different attires and stuff like that. That's just basically how it works. Then after that, you come here, you add the music track. Don't mind me, I just have one I'm going to pick because I'm used to the app. So that's beautiful for me. Let's see, this place looks funny. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. So after that, I've added music. The next I'll do is, let's see. Good, music added. So you go to text. From text, you can put in whatever you like. Okay, styling my pants, styling my pant trousers. So then I can come. Remember, you can actually get to arrange this into, you can zoom in to arrange this thing. You can use the zoom. So I'll come here, go to opacity, use the opacity. I'll go to fonts. I just pick any fonts. Let's just pick any fonts. Okay, let's just pick this particular font. Opacity, reduce opacity. Label color. Does red go? No. Okay, let's just use blue. It's not bad. Any color, just pick any color. Let me pick anything. So I'm gonna take it. So you just write whatever you want to write. Whatever you want to write. Use any font of your choice. You can even write without a label. You can even remove the label. You can decide to write without label. All you need to do, go back to opacity to decrease it so that's what you're writing. You get, go to font, go to text. The color, styling my pants, so it's not bad. Opacity, reduce a bit. So it's not bad at all like this. Then you make sure it's your choice. You can decide to just make it come up here alone. Then go there, go to canvas, go to zoom in. So remember, I did not shoot I did not show much of my body. That's why I'm having issues here with this. So for you, you just try to shoot. Appropriately, so you won't have my kind of issues. That's just what I have to say. So video is ready. Remember, write as you like. I've shown you how to write. Just write whatever, however, but this is just what I wanted to show you how to create.